So, Grok 4 released. Pliny the Liberator already jailbroke. If you don't know Pliny, the guy just jailbreak the LLMs as soon as they are released. I can't show here what the output is because his job is trying to make something that the models should not say, like building bombs and drugs. So I cannot show it here for obvious reasons. But it's already jailbroke. Now, if you didn't know, Grok went rogue and it started to say anti-Semitic stuff and praise Hitler. What? People started doing jokes here. Well, anyway, let's see what people did with it. So this guy created an crowd animation of people that move from Hello World to I am Grok as the camera changes to bird's eye. It's pretty impressive. So as the camera moves, it changes from Hello World to I am Grok as the camera changes. First person shooter. This looks pretty good. Done by this guy here. It passed this hexagon vibe check. It's pretty famous by now. Pretty much all models can do it. Visualize a math formula. This is one of the most impressive so far that I have seen. A visualization of a black hole. You can also play chess. This user created a 2D self-driving car, so it can detect the borders with the sensors and follow the trajectory. Now, but the interesting thing is this Arc AGI leaderboard. This is supposed to be a measure of how close a model is to AGI. So in this particular one, the Arc AGI 2, Grok is almost double all of the other ones. Well, now the bad news. It's paid. Yeah. It's not like Gemini. It's okay-ish. The price could be better. $30 a month. I think it is not worth it because we already have pretty good models, especially from Google, that can do mostly of Grok can do. People are hyping this up and saying it's incredible, but to be honest, it's good, but nothing game changer. So that's it. What do you think? Leave a like and subscribe.